Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with yet another video today. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and I hope you're going to stick by, join the family. Do not forget to press that like button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And please do not hesitate to actually press the subscribe button, yes honey, and turn on the bell so that every time I do upload, you are notified. Other than that, I am grateful and I am thankful. So today guys, I'm just going to do like more of a short video, but it's just a chit chat business kind of video. So some of you guys asked me questions on Instagram, and someone wanted me to explain about customs duties and taxes when you're importing from overseas to the country. So what basically happens is that customs and taxes, we all know that in South Africa we have VAT that we need to pay. So every time when you order something from abroad, the government does have the right to actually tax whatever goods that you import in the country. And there is an act that is stipulated. If you go onto sars.gov, I think so, on their website, they do go into further details to explain how duties and taxes are actually calculated. But it's just some sort of tax that you pay for actually importing, for that service of importing and getting imports into the country. So you have to actually pay that money, but it literally depends on the courier company that you're working with. Some courier companies have a very high duties and customs and tax amount, and sometimes it depends on how much did you actually spend on the product that you are buying. So what they would normally do is that when they receive your package, they will call you just so that they can be able to tell you that the package is here and send you an invoice of the taxes and duties and customs that you have to pay. But on the other hand, there are companies whereby when you buy from them, they charge you the courier charge, and it includes all duties and taxes already. So when your package gets to South Africa, just ship it straight to you without you having to actually pay any extra costs at that point in time. So that's my minor understanding of what goes on with taxes and duties. It's something that the courier company calculates and they call you and notify you. It depends on the amount that you spent buying the products, and then they calculate, and then they are going to charge you duties and taxes. And the other common question that I've been getting from you guys is showing you a step-by-step of how I actually set up my Shopify online shop, of which that would have to be a very separate video, whereby I would have to go in details on what I did and how I did it. Basically, I just got onto YouTube. I searched how to actually set up a Shopify store. There are a lot of videos that are out there, so I just followed those videos, the guides that they were giving. So that is how I was able to set up my own online store. It's a process. It's something that you have to take your time to set up, and adding products and all of that. They have a lot of videos. So if I am not able to do those videos, I prefer that you go onto YouTube and watch videos on how to set up your Shopify store. Moving forward then, I do have a few products that I had ordered on Aliexpress, which are the lip gloss tubes. They did courier via Aramex to me, and I did not have to pay any customs. It was just shipped and delivered to my gate. So that's why I'm saying it depends on the company and the type of payment system that they use to calculate customs duties and handling all of that stuff. I do not have any background on business or economics or on accounting, guys. Whatever thing that I do with regards to my business personally, I have sat down and researched and took what worked for me from whatever research I came across and implemented it. So I just hope you guys are going to get the gist that most of the time when you come across information, you have to customize it so that it works preferably for you. And the other question that I got was, do you have to register your company? If you do have the money, you can register your company from the word go. And I am going to take you through when I do the registration of my company. But preferably when you are still starting off and doing all the planning process and all of that, you do not need to do that until you are making some sort of cash flow from your business. Then you can register it. I will take you through my journey of registering my company, because I am going to do it myself at home with the help of Google, of course. So I will make like a video and do a voiceover and show you guys what I will be doing when it comes to registering the company. Other than that, there is nothing much to say. You just have to establish your company first, do all the proper planning before you can register it. Or sometimes some people prefer to actually register the business. That's if you are considering getting funding from elsewhere. So you would need to register your business, have those BEE certificates and all of that stuff that will be required for you to be actually financed to start your business. Yes, if you have a good business plan and you have like a clean record, you don't have any criminal records, you are not in blacklisted or whatsoever, all of those processes, you can be able to get funding for your business. But you need to come up with a very good business plan. Other than that, guys, I just hope you do enjoy this type of videos, and do not forget to familiarize yourselves with our website. I am going to link it below. We do have lip glosses, we do have lip gloss base / Versagel. For now we are out of stock with regards to the lip gloss tubes, but we will be receiving some, and we are going to be adding new products in the next coming week or two. So do note that. Do also follow us on all our social media platforms. All the links will be down in the description box below. And to top it all up, guys, I've been looking at my feed on Instagram and the aesthetic, I am not happy with it. So I am going to be deleting most of the posts that I have on my Instagram. So do not feel some sort of way when you come across my page and you notice that almost all of the posts that I had posted before are deleted. It's just that so I can be able to actually sit down and create an aesthetic that will be pleasing to me and that will be a reflection of my brand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to check my other videos that I've posted before, and the family is growing slowly but surely, and I appreciate you all, guys, and stay blessed and stay safe. I am going to see you on my next video. Bye.